So same thing here. We're going to continue working on solving equations. So let me get my little tablet thing. Oops, that's what that noise was. I accidentally unplugged this. There we go. We want to solve for h. And the way that we solve for h is we just do the inverse, right? So I want to get stuff away from the h. What is it that you guys think we need to solve first or do first? So if I start with a equals 1/2 times the quantity a plus b times h, what do I do? Well, we got to move stuff away from the h. The h, this is what we want to get by itself. So what is it that does not make this fun? Well, the parentheses for sure. Okay, what else? Do you guys love fractions? No. So do you remember how we get rid of a fraction? We can get rid of a fraction by multiplying by the denominator, right? And then whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. So the next line becomes 2a is equal to, now what's 1/2 of 2? Just 1. 1 times this stuff is this stuff times h. That's what that means. So I can, and I don't know if you guys are aware of this or not, but I could actually move the lowercase a and the lowercase b all in one movement because they're in parentheses, and that stuff is being multiplied by h. In other words, what I could do is I could divide this side by a plus b, but whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I have to do on the other. I should also take time and point out that the capital A is not the same as the lowercase a. Those represent two values. If they were the same value, I might as well just use a capital A or use a lowercase a, right? Why write all these different letters down? So when it comes to algebra, a capital A is actually different than a lowercase a, and you can't just combine them, all right? So then what I get is 2 capital A all over a plus b is equal to h. And that is it. Any questions on that? Oh, I gotta stop recording. I was just gonna let that thing go forever.